Well, the commandant of the Philippine Coast Guard has deployed Coast Guard Islander this morning. No, it departed Manila at 0700 this morning. The reason why we did an MDA flight is because we monitored a large number of Filipino fishing boats na nangingisda sa vicinity ng Bajo de Masinloc. And as a matter of fact, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources has also deployed 4 vessels to provide safety and security sa ating mga mangingisdang Pilipino, and also to give away a fuel subsidy and ice para mas mapatagal ang pangingisda nila rito. And when we conducted the MDA flight, we were able to monitor 3 China Coast Guard vessels at a distance of 33.6 nautical miles from Bajo de Masinloc. For the Philippine Coast Guard, besides from the aircraft that we deployed, nandito rin ang BRP Capra or MRV 4409. We also monitored the voyage of 8301, yung Gabriela Silang, also proceeding to Bajo de Masinloc to support the Kadiwa para sa bagong bayaning mangingisda program of our national government. A total of 35 Filipino fishing boats ang ating namataan dito na kasalukuyang tumatanggap ng fuel subsidy sa ating mga barko ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. It is also worth noting that when we reach the distance of approximately 60 nautical miles off the coast of Zambales, the PLA Navy warship has already challenged our flight. It was PLA Navy, a warship with bow number 554. By 1100, approximately 11 a.m., nakabalik na tayo ulit, and that is the entirety of the MDA flight that we did. And besides from that, I would also like to take this opportunity to inform you that the Starlink connection ng ating barko ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources and even the Philippine Coast Guard vessel MRV 4409 ay nawawalan ng signal. I would like to believe that there is a signal jamming that the People's Republic of China is doing, because we monitor that for our vessels, every time that we go near or go inside at a radius of 24 nautical miles and closer sa BDM, ito yung mga pagkakataon na nawawala yung Starlink signal natin.